Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your DELL Inspiron 3530 laptop isn't turning on. So, in case your device is not turning on, it's most probably simply discharged. So, before pressing the power button, which is located in the top right corner of your device's keyboard, first plug in the charging cable into your device, and then also check the power indicator. If your device's battery is fully charged, it will start for a short period of time and then just stop glowing, and then you'll just have to press the power button and wait until your device is started. But if this doesn't work for you, then you're gonna have to check the connections and the power adapter for our device. So look at your power adapter, look if it's firmly connected everywhere, look if it's firmly connected to the cable that goes to your outlet. Check the connection here, check the connection with your outlet, and check if you have firmly inserted it into the proper barrel port of your laptop. And if everything looks fine, you have to also check your AC adapter. So if you're using an original AC adapter that looks like this, and you see green light right here, that means that everything should work just fine. It's an original HP AC adapter, and it has 65 watts of power capacity, which is the minimal threshold for your device to be charged properly. So if you're not using an original AC adapter, it's not a problem as long as it has at least 65 watts of power in capacity. So the capacity for this laptop can be checked right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says 65 watts in here. The battery of your basically, this is the amount of power that your battery requires. And do not use any AC adapters from unreliable sources, unreputable sources, because cheap AC adapters can easily break your device's battery, or at the very least, just make it age much faster. And if your device was exposed to either extremely cold or extremely hot temperature conditions, then unplug the charging cable for a while and let it stay like this for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or how cold the conditions were that it was exposed to. And then plug in the charging cable once again and try starting your device once again. If it doesn't start, then most probably the battery in this laptop is simply dead, and you just have to get yourself a new one, or just head to the nearest repair center and have your battery replaced. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.